DTF oven dryer and fume extractor. (360° uniform heating make the temperature more even). 3-layer filter cotton. Easy to put and take film. Metal inner with large space, easy to clean. Install the pipe adapter to the inlet of the fume extractor. Insert the pipe clamp into the air pipe to install the pipe adapter. Attach the adapter to the back of the machine, securing the air pipe to the adapter. Plug in the fume extractor's power cord and switch on. Turn on the dryer. Long press the temperature setting button for 3 seconds to switch between degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit. Time setting button. Tap the switch button, the machine starts heating up. Place your film design on the wire racks. One-time curing, 3 pieces A3 size or 6 pieces A4 size. There is a lot of fumes before the fume extractor is turned on. We suggest work with our DTF fume extractor. DTF fume extractor power 150 watts, strong absorption capacity. Switch on and set the level to maximum. The max speed is 258 cubic meters per hour. The machine will emit 3 beeps to alert you when countdown ends. When curing is complete, take out the wire racks, the powders have been melted onto the film. The whole pattern is very flat after curing, ready for heat transfer.